Gopal Bhatta Goswami gave Siddha Pranali to Srinivasacharya 500 years ago. It's not a new thing. Because we don't know, then we say all kinds of nonsense. So Siddha Pranali is from the beginning of Gaudiya Sampradaya. It's continued widespread all over the Gaudiya Sampradaya until 80 years ago. And the very father of the propagator of a new idea himself is a byproduct of Siddha Pranali, and he writes about Siddha Pranali, and he took Siddha Pranali himself. The father of the propagator who turned Gaudiya Siddhanta and Gaudiya mission into preaching just the Vaidhi Sadhana. There's nowhere talked about Vaidhi Sadhana. Chaitanya Charitamrita says you can follow Vaidhi Sadhana for 1,000 years, you go to Vaikuntha. Lord Chaitanya says Raganuga Bhakti Prachar. He came for two reasons. The Antaranga Karan and the Bahiranga Karan. Bahiranga, the external, Bahir Karan, the external cause is Yada Yada Yadamasya Glani Bhavati Bharata Vitanama Dharmasya Tatatmanam Sridamyam. Establish the Dharma. What's the Yuga Dharma? Kali Yuga, Yuga Dharma, Namara Pachara, Tati Lagi Bita Varna Chaityan Avatarya, Krishna Varna Srisa Krishnam, Sangopanga Shiparshadam, Yagya Sankirtana Priya, Yajantihi Samedasha, 11th Canto Bhagavatam. Sankirtan Yagya, okay, Sankirtan Yagya. That's external. Lord Chaitanya has two sides. So we also do Sankirtan. Everyone does Sankirtan. We chant 64 rounds a day. We do Harinam. Radhakunda is nothing but Harinam and Lila Smaran. That's all that's going on here. This is full on. This is an Antaranga. So the whole Gaudiya mission understood it. Lord, this is a Raganuga Sampradaya. Lord Chaitanya came to give Raganuga Bhakti, and he came to give Mandri Bhava Upasana, and he came to give Gopi Bhava. Atta eva Gopi Bhava Angikara. Atta eva Gopi Bhava Angikara. This is in Bengali. Lord Chaitanya is speaking. I want everyone to accept Gopi Bhava. Gopi Bhava is prohibited in these missions. Siddha Pranali is Maya. All these things are... So they might wonder, what is the real Gaudiya Sampradaya? What is the new idea, let's say? Neo Gaudiya idea.